Dude, everything about this, I just don't want to hit the cement.
Dude, I thought we were doing safety third.
This feels so wrong. Don't you think?
Moment of the truth, my
The
man.
moment we've all been waiting for. We're about to change the game right here. Ta-da-da! The barracks.
Got all the goodies.
Oh, really?
6 mil. Painter's plastic. It's gonna be slippery. This is a big day. Adrian, dreams are coming true for this kid right now. Dreams are coming true.
What's the wood for? To keep hold the tarp down?
It's so we can make little mini pools. So like, Adrian basically wants like 3 inches of water.
So you can
So
pop
you can
it.
pop, yeah.
What we're
Oh, yeah.
wondering here is,
Whoa.
how are you gonna pop?
I think we're prioritizing
Yeah, I want to feel it.
prioritizing Adrian doing what he wants to do and setting everything up, making it
That'll hurt.
as making whatever Adrian wants, and then if it looks hittable, I'm gonna try to hit it too.
How are you?
Yeah. My skate shoes for today. Skim shoes.
Look at these kids.
Oh,
Oh, put your vest
this
on.
kid came prepared. Damn, look at this guy. Look at this guy go. So wait. What are you gonna do?
No, that's his idea. No, he's gonna fly off a kicker onto the 10 stair rail.
No, I thought you were doing. I thought
No,
you
no,
were
no,
doing
no,
the
no,
10
no.
stair
Brandon is. Look at this thing.
rail.
Gotta have my life vest. Safety first.
Safety third.
He's been thinking about this for a while.
This is the ultimate mall grab.
Dude, I thought we were doing safety third.
But we could actually start with just kind of like wetting a flat section. Maybe in front of a quarter pipe, so we can just kind of slide on the flat section and go up the quarter pipe. That's pretty easy and pretty safe.
Okay.
And we could all ride that. So that'd be nice.
I love watching him cruise around with his skimboard. Classic.
Okay.
So, our first little feature of the day we're going to be hitting is just a little bank that's going to be friendly for all of us. Friendly for me, friendly for Thomas and Finn. And it should be fun. It'll be like coming up to a wave and maybe, well, who knows what it's going to be like. I sure as heck don't. I've never really done this flatland thing, so it's going to be a steep learning curve, I'm sure. We're going to be hitting some concrete today. Brought my shin guards.
Nice.
Oh yeah, okay, so we bought some 3x3s, and the plan with this is we want to make little skim pools for Adrian. So a thin layer of water, maybe 2 to 3 inches, that he can slide across, still be able to carry the speed he needs, but then also be able to pop up and out of it. You can't pop on a skimboard if you're on a flat, wet surface, or if you're on concrete that's wet. There's no way you're gonna pop. So the idea is to, just make a little pool that he can slide across and be able to pop out of onto boxes, rails, whatever the heck this animal's thinking.
Let's get this place wet.
Let's get it.
This feels so wrong. Don't you think? I've seen this place for like my whole life, people skating this, doing the best tricks, and now look at me. I'm just abusing the park. Blair, I want to see you drop it.
Kind of sketch. It was fun though. Yeah, I had a good time. That's just the beginning. Just the beginning. It's gonna be a full day of action. Full day. throw on some booties and give it a try.
First impressions.
That guy's messed up, gnarly.
What do you think about street skimboarding so far?
Pretty sick.
So that wasn't a make?
Mine? No. No, because I was trying to big spin out, but then I didn't turn my shoulders, so when I landed, I had to revert. We can't call that a make. We're in the barracks now. Come on.
I feel like I have like spider feet with these things, man.
Donkey was actually into
Dude,
something?
Donkey was on, yeah. A couple of skimboarders knew what they were up to.
How was that almost credit card situation?
Oh, so scary. I like even tapped my heel on the curb and like probably gonna have a bruised heel. Dude, everything about this, I just don't want to hit the cement. I prefer the sand. Quite inspirational watching what Adrian can do on these things. It is so much harder than it looks. So much harder.
How'd you guys like this thing?
It's fun. Super sick.
You see yourself doing this more often?
I hope so. Yes, hopefully.
Should we go get Volcom wet too?
Oh, yes.
What's next? What's next?
I'm thinking either this one or setting up one of the pools, like the tarp pools in front of that obstacle.
Skimming is probably like one of my favorite sports, and then this is like my favorite skate park. So I get to skim my favorite skate park.
That's sick.
Yeah.
This table looks kind of sick. I think the table will be maybe doable for me. Maybe.
For sure. For sure.
There's a lot of like death traps there though. Like whichever way you fall, it would suck. No good way out of there. You gotta make it across, otherwise
You're bummed.
ouch. Ouch.
Uh-oh.
It's looking pretty good.
It's looking like a nice little setup actually. This tarp looks pretty legit. This will be my watching zone.
You having second thoughts?
I'm the peanut gallery over here.
How are you feeling about this one?
Well, I'm gonna judge how he does, and if it's hard for him, then I'm out.
Dude, you're in trouble.
I know. I'm got the butterflies right now. I'm really feeling a little scared. This is like, I don't know, last time I felt like this, I was like surfing Joe Proof for the first time. This is sketchy.
One and done?
You know, I might be one and done on this one. Concrete's hard. And I really like ocean skimboarding. I want to preserve my body for that.
But maybe that was a, oh, hey. Maybe that was okay. Maybe I should redo it. One more. I had my hand down all the time, but I think it's all right. I'll keep that one. I don't want to redo it. The ollie on is so scary when you go so fast. I'm basically like closing my eyes when I ollie.
It wasn't that hard.
See, kids, wear helmets. See? Wear helmets.
I was just putting my socks and shoes back on.
I think I got a bit too excited there. I just acid dropped onto that.
Went way too huge.
Yeah.
That's like something you save for the end of the day and put a helmet on for.
I thought it'd be easy because like technically it's not difficult, you know? You just jump and
Yeah.
but I was wrong.
Dude, I thought that last time. I'm like, oh, I could probably ollie into that thing. No problem on a skate. No chance.
To be fair, I think ollie would be easier than acid drop.
Yeah.
Because ollie you already have like speed and acid drop is hard to control how you put your board down.
Yeah. But you were going so fast by the time, like, it was basically all your speed when you're transitioning into flat just made you slip out so gnarly.
What are you guys doing here?
Dumping the kiddie pool out. We're gonna put more water down there, hopefully. Yep. You want to do the honors?
I'm just wait for Woody.
Break the creek.
Break the creek.
Do you think it's gonna make a wave?
You can make a small standing wave. Let's try it out. Let's see the waterfall.
Waterboarding.
What up?
How are you enjoying this?
It's very peaceful over here. It's just me and the stream. I'm really
watering the plant.
I'm really enjoying myself over here.
Refreshing.
So we tried to do the A-frame right there because I thought it'd be the easiest obstacle here, but it was just too sticky. But then the water started flowing towards the quarter pipe. So I figured might as well try the quarter pipe, and surprisingly it wasn't sticky. And I was able to get 2 tricks, which I'm pretty hyped about. It was hard to ride though, I don't know. I feel like skate parks are just like unreliable with how sticky they are. So yeah, now we're just gonna turn off the water. And I think we have one more spot, and I think this will be the biggest one. We're gonna hit a stair set. And Blair is gonna kill it. I think he could do a 3-shove. Think he's got the 3-shove?
Oh yeah, all day, man, all day.
Blair is too humble. He's too humble. He is much better than I've seen him skim in person. He could, everything I do, he could do the same, to be honest. I really think he could. He just has to try it. But I'm excited to skim more with Blair and get him out in the streets.
Do it. I like how you came with the right shirt for this occasion.
Right, swimming.
Yep. Let's go swimming. Have you ever done 5 stairs on a skateboard?
On a skateboard when I was probably 10 years old. No, I don't know. It's been a while since I've ollied anything on a skateboard. It's been a long while. I feel like I've done some boogie slides off of sand berms that were maybe a little bit like that, but this cement's a lot harder. Okay, oh that's...
Does it work? Kinda. You can make it like doinker barrel.
3 shoves.
3 shoves?
Oh, it kind of pops.
You could just go down. You could do ollie, pop shove it, 3 shove.
All right, interesting.
Maybe a backside 180.
Okay.
I think you got it.
Yeah, this would might...
And if not, you can just firecracker it. That's pretty fun as well.
Perfect. That sounds friendly.
Little touch.
Yeah.
Barely a little touch.
Security touch.
Maybe we put a little bit more water down here for you? I don't know.
You know riding? You got it. Trust me, it's really not difficult. It really isn't. It really isn't. This is the easiest thing we've done. Way easier than the quarter pipe, and way easier than the thing over there.
Okay, well, I'll give her a go.
What?
Give her a go. Wow, felt way better than ollieing on a skateboard. I'll take it.
This is why urban skate. Oh, why don't you just skateboard?
Ollie all right? Did I ollie?
A little bit.
Oh man, I look like such a noob. My gosh. It's actually pretty fun. That feels really legit when you're sliding as fast as you can go on the concrete. No control though. It's so different than skimboarding in the ocean because when you're on a wave or in the ocean, you have rail control. Here you just have to be like so balanced, or there's no control. Like you just have to be centered over your board. That's it. Let's go. Slide out of it, all right. Oh, I almost feel like more speed would have been better. These boards pop a whole lot different than a freaking skimboard. Okay. My hip hurts pretty good.
Yeah, it was pretty hardcore.
Successful day.
It's a wrap.
Congrats, dude.
Congrats to you too,
I'm stoked you got in here, and it's pretty epic that Steve and Eric and everyone were about it. So
it's a dream.
Thank you guys.
Dream come true.
Really appreciate it.
And we will come back, right? And you will get a free shove.
Yeah.
We're gonna bring a better setup and come back.
I think I need to build up to the 5 stair. Maybe I try a 3 shove on flats and then a 3 shove on a 2 stair. Need to work up to it. But we'll get it next time. You got some gnarly stuff today.
3 shoves.
You
I got the 3 shove there, 3 shove here.
Yeah.
3 shove. Actually, all I did was 3 shoves. That's literally all I did.
That's all you needed to do.
Yeah.
They were super. What you did them on was insane. Like, yeah, the pop you have on those things are mental.
10
So
stair, though.
the 10 stair. This guy's thinking about the 10 stair.
That would be wild. 3 shove at 10 stair.
Is my hip okay? We'll find out tomorrow.